On this week's episode, creamy rice and peas. You'll need leftover rice, spinach, cooked peas, thinly sliced spring onions, some salt, ginger puree, single or double cream, dry or fresh parsley, and Bramwell's salt and pepper. On a medium to high heat, shallow fry spinach and add some salt to it. Add ginger puree or fresh ginger to it. Still on a medium to high heat, add Bramwell's salt and pepper seasoning. Add coconut milk. Half of the cooked peas. Half of the spring onions. Single or double cream. Reduce to a medium-low heat and add the cooked rice. Remove from heat. Add fresh or dried parsley, the rest of the cooked peas, and the spring onions. And that's it. Another great recipe to bring life to leftover rice. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you all for watching. Love you all, and God bless.